In this tutorial, we'll discuss our favorite option, engine selection. So you will not use credits so much. We can use my credits. So I'm simply copying the prompts. I'm selecting the source image and I'm selecting new engine. So I'll select NanoBanana. Instead, I'll select Flux to Pro. I'm hitting make. Then I'm selecting ImageGPT. Hi, okay. And I'm clicking make. Then I'm using NanoBanana standard. Make. Then we'll use Seedream, simply hitting make. Okay, it's going. Let's put everything in the correct place. So the test will be correct. Okay, I'll put it here. So remember our idea, we are using exactly the same prompts to see the results, yeah? Okay, Flux 2 is not working. Let's try it again. Seed, okay, make. Maybe I can use seed, move a little bit. Okay, let's wait a second. Let's make here a test for a close-up of architectural mockup. The same, I'm using source. I'm using Flux. Then I'll use ChatGPT, high quality, hitting simply make. It's very expensive. For me, it's too expensive, but of course, I should definitely try it and show you the results. NanoBanana. Please make sure I'm not changing anything. Yeah, like it's a clear test. We are using exactly the same prompt to have a clear understanding what is the best result. Okay, and the Flux is not working now. I don't know why. It's quite weird. I think they have some issues now. So yeah, they are dropping off our test for a second. And yeah, let's wait for another engines. What do we have here? Error. Okay. Progress details. Okay, we have some Flux problem. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Give it a try again. Maybe it's a bad idea to change the seed. Yeah, let's select it again. Let's give it a try. So it can be really interesting that it's more unstable than other engines. So we have a first time this issue. So yeah, let's select other views. Okay, I'm selecting now this description, jumping to my source. And let's, of course, test each engine and see will we get the result. I will not change, maybe, okay, to be fair, high. Each time we'll say the highest option for the ChatGPT generator, NanoBanana. And hitting make, Seedream hitting make. Here we'll have 2K original, no changes. And now clean a little bit my trees, my node trees. So Flux, let's wait a little bit. I don't know. Okay, Flux is working now. So it's just less stable than his engines, his competitor engines. Okay, and let's put it here. So I'll also come back to my previous descriptions and use Flux again to make a fair competition. So I'm selecting, okay, sorry, wrong. I'm selecting my prompt, Control C. I'm coming back to my source and using my Flux to Pro option, hitting make, putting it here. And do the same for this engine, for this prompt. I am selecting image, copy pasting my prompt, Control C, coming back to my source image, left mouse click, and selecting Flux to Pro. I have pasted my prompt and clicking make. So let's wait a second and we will receive the results. While we are waiting, let's try this prompt. I don't like this prompt, show the space from the top, it was not so cool. I want this prompt, it's much more advanced. So I'll copy paste my prompt and let's give it a try with different engines. So we have our prompt, we have Flux to Pro, hit make, simply change to ChatGPT, high level, hit make. Very expensive. For me, extremely expensive, but of course we definitely need to try it. NanoBanana is like 6 times less expensive. Okay, and let's hit Seedream, 2K original, click simply make. And let's compare the results, our favorite parts. So NanoBanana, Flux, GPT, and a Seedream. I'll put this image here, so results will be more interesting. As you see, we have again the Flux 2 problem. So I don't know why. I don't know why. That's quite surprising. I think they have some server problems, so we'll give it a try a few times. I'll change a seed maybe for a second. Yeah, and let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. I'll make a few options for a Flux. And let's see what do we have here. So the mockups. Okay, the Flux is losing the worstest result. Let's see what we wanted to do. So we wanted to create a 3D cross-section in axonometric orthographic projection visible from top 3/4. Yeah, quite classic for architecture. And what about results? For NanoBanana Pro, it's quite interesting result. Let's talk about usual NanoBanana. Also good, but quite strange. As you see, we have now some bats on our roof. It's strange, like it's completely strange. Like we have some trees inside the house. Flux to Pro is extremely strange. We don't have even any result. GPT from a chat GPT, also strange as well, because now we have 3 floors. Yeah, all other engines remember that we have 2 floors, but this one is not understanding that at all. C-Dream is quite good, but it's nothing's about our prompt. It's not axonometric orthographic projection. So for me, winner is NanoBanana Pro. Of course, it's understanding the prompts in the best way. If we talk about a more creative option, it's about mockups. Mockups are quite good for each option. For me, Flux 2 is extremely good in this. Extremely. I think in this is the first time, or this is the second time when we see that the Flux 2 Pro is the best. I think it's the best option, and I understood exactly that it's made from, it's a soft studio light, it's made of foam, it's made for architecture presentation. It's very good, really. ChatGPT also done a good job. Architecture is good, almost good. Only this section is added. But here ChatGPT, like Flux 2 Pro, made it very good. Like I'm very happy with this result. The C-Dream is also good, maybe one of the most realistic forms I have ever seen here. As you see, very detailed, very detailed. It remembers me my second grade of architecture. And let's jump to our new views. I'll move them a little bit so we will see the prompts. Okay, move the camera all the way right, show the building from a right side perspective. So, NanoBanana Pro, very good. NanoBanana Standard is not understands us extremely nothing exactly. We have no idea what's going on. Like it's exactly the same frame we had. Flux 2 Pro trying to move the camera somewhere, but it's not exactly the same. It's moving to the left side, not to the right side. So it's not right side perspective, it's a left side perspective, but not so bad. The C-Dream, the GPT image editor is good. It tried to show us some idea how it can look like from other side. The problem for me, it's changing the architecture. As you see, this piece was changed. Like it's not correct. As we remember, here it should be a wood, and here we don't have a wood, and we now have a new section of a concrete, so it's strange. And this is the C-Dream. The C-Dream is quite good. Like, to be fair, one of the best results we have from the NanoBanana Pro and from the C-Dream. So yeah, that's a good results. In this competition, I think the C-Dream and NanoBanana are the winners. GPT image is good, but not perfect. And let's check the last but not least, very important engine selection. Oh, we have also finished our Flux, problematic Flux for today. I'll simply also remove it. So what we wanted to get? We wanted to get the space from a top view, add details, roof, make it typical, show another neighborhood buildings around, houses in a similar style, make a photorealistic bird view render. So what do we have? NanoBanana Pro, very good. NanoBanana, good as well, because it's made some solar panels, but it's maybe strange top view. The architecture is unchanged, as you see. It's a good presentation. Like we have the same details. The Flux 2 Pro is strange, very strange, because as you see, we just now we have a I don't know 1 meter high of the first floor, and the second floor is very big. So yeah, Flux 2 Pro is losing. The GPT is good, very good, but remember that it's losing our architecture here. In this angle, we're losing our architecture. And we also can understand that we're losing details on the left side of the image. So GPT is adding their own solutions here, their own vision of this elevation. So it's not so good for me. And the C-Dream is not so good also. It's remembering very good what we are presenting on our main image, but the idea of this extra information on top is quite strange. The environment is Okay, but of course for me the NanoBanana Pro is absolutely winner. Congratulations, NanoBanana Pro, the best result, the best context, and yeah, that's what we're looking for. So yeah, like simply feel free to try it, and see you in next tutorial.